welcome to Small Model Car. Today I am reviewing a F150 and this casting is by Maisto. This is like their competitor to the mainline, say, metal cruiser. So they're almost same price bracket as Hot Wheels and Matchbox mainline. I think slightly cheaper than Hot Wheels now. But yeah, so this is a F150. Obviously, as you can say, this is the old one, 1977. So let's talk about that. And before we do that, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. And if you like my videos, hit like, leave a comment. It's a small channel, helps to grow. Alright, so let's talk about this casting. The very first thing you will notice is this paint job, which is very classic looking, orange and yellow. I haven't seen one. I've seen blue and whites, but this looks almost the same kind of paint job. Other thing you'll notice, it's very light, which obviously can't be seen on the screen. It's very light because it definitely doesn't have an interior. And the other thing, the entire bed is plastic. It's not metal like the cap, which is metal, but the bed is plastic. The whole thing's plastic. Apart from that, decent wheels, nothing special here, but the groove slide design on the side makes it look alright. And I think it looks better than those oversized wheels which Hot Wheels uses on their trucks sometime. Okay, let's go to the front. So up front it's all chrome, and I don't know if it's visible. There's the Ford written up front. I don't know how clear it is, especially in this light. Apart from that, it's all blacked out, windscreen, windows, everything, so you can't really see inside because there's no interior. You can see windshield wipers. Now coming to the passenger side, you can see the door handle here. It's not detailed or painted. Again, black windows, so you can't really see the interior. Coming to the back, chrome bumper in the back too, and good, you got the Ford written back here too. And if you look closely, you can also see the detailed tail lamp there. On the driver's side, the fuel filled is on the driver's side. You can see the entire bed is in orange, again black windows. There's a from the base, it looks like this. So overall, it's not a very what you can say highly detailed or very desirable casting, but the reason for getting this was it's a decent casting, and I haven't seen these in Hot Wheels, this 1977 Ford F150. So yeah, I thought let's get that, and maybe I can, in future we'll swap it and do some customization to it. But yeah, if you're interested in this, I think you can go and buy this one. It's not a bad casting. Well, that's all from my side.